You have to be happy with yourself to make other people happy. And of course that goes back to the food, because if you're eating good food, you're going to be happier. The experiences I have with cooking go way back. Bless my mom. She had a value system in place. I went through our generations of family that it meant something. The experience was there as you had to sit down as a family. You did not have a choice. The TV was off. You weren't plugged in. It was real and you felt something. This is what we should be doing, because we're a culture that has lost a lot of that. The buzz of fast food, that buzz is defeating the purpose of eating and what we're actually trying to do to take care of our bodies, because it's destroying our bodies. My mom passing really woke my eyes up because she cooked and ate healthy. So for me, the process is saying, okay, I want something different. Like the other day, for instance, I took a whole piece of ahi tuna and made some fresh pasta with a marinara and put the tuna in a red pasta. It was delicious. Holy cow, I've never had tuna in red sauce like that, as much as I've cooked. And so the process there was, I'm going for it. I don't care. I know I love tuna, fresh ahi tuna, and I know I love good pasta with my red sauce, so who cares? I'm happy cooking my food for you, so I've made myself happy so I can make others happy. It's pretty simple.